Cool.
Yeah.
Only thing I want to do is do those.
Hey,
I
heard something that you did by accident and you weren't recording it.
Okay.
It was feedback that sounded cool because it went.
Is any of it? Is it on there?
I don't think it is. Okay. So it might be another track kind of thing.
Okay. I want to do it real fuzzy.
Let go of your guitar and you'll hear what I'm talking about. Right. It's not doing it now. Maybe this was on. Okay. Listen to that.
Sounds like a spaceship.
It's not doing it. I wonder why it's not doing it now. Oh, I bet yell at your guitar. It'll divide.
Hey!
Here we go. Do that again.
Hey!
We gotta put that in.
Yeah. Like at the end, you think, man?
Or something. Yeah.
Or at the top?
Yeah.
Hey! You like that?
I kind of
You
like
like
it.
it's okay that it says hey? Hey! I can make it more nebulous or...
I kind of like it.
I mean, it can be out without all the clicks and all that unless you just want it.
No, I like that.
I do too. It's pretty cool.
I mean, I was trying to get the feedback, but then we found that, so let's go with that. Well, what happened was the feedback was going, so maybe that could just be a backwards thing.
Right, and we're gonna put, oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
The old, I didn't know my guitar was on shit.
Right.
Let's plug this back into the amp.